Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the wheel spacers. Installing wheel spacers can provide a bit more additional clearance so you could slope spare issues. When it comes to the vehicles that mold larger tires, wheel spacers are also useful. This is because of where the new tires you install are larger than the stock tires, that causing some spare problems. In this situation, you should use wheel spacers to help them fit in the right place. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.